living niya sa media, kada maskara. Kahit ihog, diba? Dapat na ihog ka, dalakaon. So anyway, announcement lang. Okay? Subong, ang Grab car is already galabot ta sa Manapla, asa sa Manapla na, hasta sa Bago. Okay? So, Grab has some directives already from LTFRB to open the entire Negros Occidental. Pero we have to onboard, Anay, all the 900 cars. So, right now, medyo may kulang pa ta. As soon as ma-onboard ta ng 900 cars, hopefully labot at Escalante, Sipala. Okay? So, we will try to reach all of the entire Negros kasi sa San Carlos kung pwede. Okay? Then next is, ang mga ginapalagas ng turista, ang kampwestuhan, ang mambukal, some sites nga hindi malabot, subong malabot na nagyan. So, these are things nga ginpa-open na. And the good news is, next month, we will roll out what we call Grab Rent. So, Grab Rent is usually for tourists or may mga bisita kita sa syudad, bala nga hindi na tayo mag-drive. Hindi na tayo mag-drive. Ipag-Grab renta na lang sila. Minimum of 4 hours. You can rent the car for 4 hours. And then, if mag-exceed, you can pay may certain amount man for every 30 minutes. May driver ni siya. Hindi ni siya yung self-drive. Okay? May driver ni siya. Then, you can also rent this up to 8 hours. Pag yan, kung gusto nyo yung alawig, so pwede again. So, ang inyong himuon is just, like for example, may bisita ka mo, kalagawan sila yan sa syudad, just Grab Rent ang gamiton. So, this will be rolled out by early November. Only in Bacolod and Iloilo. Amo ni siya, ang Iloilo subong for most of the Bacolod people, gamo na nag-wish na, gusto ko na may Grab car ang Iloilo. Subong may Grab car na ang Iloilo man. And then, next month, hopefully, we're rolling it out also nga makalabot pa ng Grab Rent up to Katiklan na. Kalibo and Katiklan. So, at least, may mga bisita ka mo, hindi lang problema, mag-Grab rent na lang sila from Iloilo to Katiklan for them to go to Boracay. Na. So, there is also the same directives as well. If ang Bacolod i-open tayong bilog nga Negros, same with Iloilo, may directives man nga i-open man ang bilog nga Iloilo man for the Grab car, but we have to onboard also, Anay. So right now, currently Bacolod is given 900 franchises na So we're filling it up right now. For Iloilo, they're given 1,100 actually. So we're continuously filling up. If you have friends, please invite them. At least drive at your own convenience. Hindi man sila adlaw drive, pero at their convenience, extra income actually for them. So hopefully ma-enjoy ninyo ang service, both as Western Visayas again, sa Grab car. Sa Grab food, hopefully may alatang Grab Unlimited. I hope everyone have subscribed it. Kay muna siyang free delivery kung may Grab Unli ka mo. And then at the same time, damo na mga discounts na ma-save ninyo kung mag-subscribe ka mo. So, matingala ka mo, basi bala ang Grab Unli, nga ang hindi siya magsulod kung wala ni siya unod ng inyong Grab Pay. So, you pay the Grab Unlimited through your Grab Pay, actually. So, you have to use that. And there will be further announcement next month tamo pag i-roll out up to this coming Christmas. So, we're really looking forward, and then the new partnership also with Mayor Albi, ang iyang project ng MapCap. Grab is supporting actually this very much. So, looking forward to this developments actually for Bacolod and Iloilo as well. Thank you! Okay.